This presentation has been prepared to demonstrate a typical culvert rehabilitation and installation process. Although each project, depending on the pipe deterioration and status of the culvert, is different, basic Snap-tite installation steps will apply. First, the work area around the culvert is cleared of debris, pumped clear of water if necessary, and prepared for installation. Since Snap-tite comes in sections, less working space is usually required. An excavator moves the first section of pipe to the install site. This can also be accomplished with a backhoe or even a skid steer loader. The first section of pipe is positioned. And inserted into the existing deteriorated pipe. The second section of pipe is lifted to the install site, where a gasket is applied inside the section's machined groove. When the pipes are connected or snapped together, this gasket will assure a watertight seal at all joints, meeting ASTM D3212 requirements. Snap-tite also meets AASHTO standard M326. A spray lubricant is applied to make connection easier. The second section of pipe is lowered into the install site and lined up with the first section and pushed flush against it. A worker uses a crowbar to line up the sections. At this point, the second section of pipe is manipulated, repositioned, and pushed into the receiving section until the audible snap occurs, indicating that the proper connection has been made. This action can also be accomplished with come-alongs if necessary. This installation step is repeated section by section until the entire length of the culvert has been lined with Snap-tite. At this point, each end of the culvert around the new pipe is sealed with a concrete bulkhead, into which different lengths of PVC pipe have been inserted down the length of the culvert. These sections of PVC will deliver the grout to the inside of the area around and above the new pipe. Hose couplings are attached to the PVC pipes. The low-density cellular grout is mixed at the work site. Hoses are attached and the grout is pumped into the voids between the pipe, culvert, and roadway, providing a truly rehabbed closed system. Even though the diameter of the newly inserted pipe is smaller than the original pipe, the rehabbed culvert will have the same or greater flow than the old culvert, thanks to the properties of HDPE pipe. The grout tubes are plugged. And while the grout is still setting up, the PVC pipe can be pounded flush with the bulkhead surface, or later cut off flush and sealed. The totally rehabilitated Snap-tite culvert. Nearly all of the work was completed off-road in the culvert itself, with little or no road closure or traffic disruptions.